Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we are in the exact same spot that we left yesterday's video. But today, we are talking about DoorDash lowering the pay because they were paying us too much this whole time. You guys, were you enjoying that $3 pay that we were getting? Because it feels, what is that, like 10, 15, 20%, I don't even know. 20% more than they felt that we deserved. So now we are now getting $2.50. Enjoy it while it lasts, guys, because they're gonna lower it. They're gonna lower it down to $2 very soon. I can feel it. And then they're gonna be like, you know what? We should just have these Dashers doing this for free. Why are we even paying them? Let's just have them rely completely on customer tip. And at that point, you better damn well have your freaking Para app, because if you guys don't have Para app yet, I mean, DoorDash is just screwing us left and right. That's why I'm supporting the Para app. So if you guys haven't yet, make sure you download the Para app, which is going to give you full tip transparency and help you make more money on DoorDash. I use it all the time. Here's a few little screenshots of comments of other people who are enjoying the Para app. Para has been helping me out a lot because I know this order that I'm doing right now has an extra $3 on it. DoorDash was like, yeah, it's gonna pay you $10, but we're just gonna tell you that it pays you $7 because we don't want you to know that you're gonna make actually $10, because here's an actual good order that this customer blessed you with a nice, what was it, $7.50. It's a $10 order, and DoorDash is like, nah, you only get $2.50. We'll have, I don't know, what in the world are they thinking? Like, DoorDash used to have a $7 minimum, and then they were like, all right, let's go down to $3. What is going on here? Like, why don't the free Uber Eats, Grubhub, and DoorDash, someone just buy them out so that way they can increase their driver pay? Or I don't know. How do we solve this problem, guys? What's the best thing that we can do? I don't even know what I think. I'm just really annoyed because I just discovered that they lowered the pay. I discovered it in the end of the last video, and I was like, you know what? I got to make a video on this because this is annoying. Like, as if driver pay wasn't low enough, they're gonna lower it down to $2.50. Is it even $2.50? Is it $2? Are they feeling generous? Like, what is going on here that DoorDash would decrease our pay? Question of the day. Comment down below. What is the low or minimum pay in your area? Is it $2.50? Let me know what it is in your guys' area. Help me out, because I need to know so I can give proper information to everyone, because maybe it's just me in Reno, Nevada right now and it's $2.50. Let me know, is it $2.50 where you guys are, or am I just making this up? Because I didn't know that it was $2.50. Thank you, Para, for showing me the tips that the customer is actually tipping me, so I actually can break it down, you know? And like, I guess you can't anyways, but it makes it a lot simpler when Para's like, this order has a $5 tip, blah, blah, blah. That's how much the customer's giving you, you know? And I almost started, like, now that I know exactly how much the customer's tipping me because of the Para app, I enjoy, like, I almost will, like, if I see an order that is kind of farther distance, but there's actually a decent sized tip, I'll be like, you know what? That customer's at least being nice to me, and I'm doing this for the customer, and I'll take an order that honestly I probably wouldn't normally take. But that's just how I think. But maybe, I don't know, probably everyone shouldn't do that. But so now this whole plus dollar thing, because I am logged into an area that, no, I was logged into an area earlier and it was a plus dollar. That means you're only making $3.50 now. Like, what in the world, DoorDash? Why did you decide that we needed to make less money and I need to be going left right here? This is what happens when you talk to a camera when you're driving around. You miss your turns, and there is a very long line, and this is gonna be a little rude, but I think I'm gonna try to cut myself into this lane and hopefully never mind. I'm just gonna go turn around up there. I'm not gonna be a dick. But anyways, welcome back to another video, guys. Today, I'm thoroughly more annoyed with DoorDash than I typically am. You know, people used to call me a corporate shill, and lately all I've been doing is slamming DoorDash for being, I don't know, it's kind of rude that they are like, I don't know, what are we, waiters now? Like, guys, this is why I really try to push the, hey, I made it, I can turn left, yes. This is why I really try to push the independent contractor stuff on you guys. Like, hey, you are an independent contractor, you gotta play the game. Like, you have to be making multiple revenue sources, because if you're not, then you're gonna get screwed. DoorDash is something that's convenient. Like, when you're, like, for example, right now I'm driving to a specific area and this order from Chick-fil-A is on the way. So it makes sense. It makes perfect logical sense for me to take this order because I'm already going that way. You know, there's no dead miles. But for just driving around, this is not a full-time job, guys. You should not be doing this full-time, in my opinion. You can do it if you want to. I know I enjoy doing it, so maybe some people enjoy doing it, but you have to consider how many miles you're putting on your car, the fact that you can possibly crash, you can possibly, I hate to say it, you might DIE in a car crash because you're driving around for DoorDash. You never know, you know? You are taking a risk. That's why you have to play the game. Don't let the game play you. Don't let DoorDash play you, because they obviously don't care about you very much. If the fact that they're going to lower everyone's pay down to $2.50 and then basically force you to rely completely on the customer tip. That's ridiculous. Now you're going to start seeing orders for $2.50, which I've already seen today. So that's pretty ridiculous, in my opinion, but whatever. Anyways, I'll be right back. I got to pick up this Chick-fil-A order. Alright, got my Chick-fil-A order. It's a very, very small order, to be honest. Anyway, so Chick-fil-A, by the way, you have the absolute biggest shit show of a parking lot ever. Every single Chick-fil-A has, like, there's all kinds of cones and obstacles and stuff that you gotta drive around. But anyways, we're gonna stay on topic today, and I'm gonna wrap this video pretty soon. But come on, DoorDash, like, it's kind of ridiculous that you would even give someone $2.50. So I don't know. Do we need a driver's union? What do we need to do? How do we get DoorDash to pay people more? Because clearly now it's getting to the point where they're just kind of taking taking advantage of people. I'm drinking coffee with protein, and there's quite a few coffee ground up coffee at the bottom, and it keeps making me cough. But anyways, rant over. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoy these videos at all, again, please consider smashing the like button for me. If you guys haven't yet, click on the link down below. Download the Para app. Para is going to help you. It's going to give you full tip transparency. It's going to give you little notifications, which are awesome when DoorDash is hiding tips from you. And I got to get back to doing this DoorDash. We will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.